What do you think is the most important element to making a woman like you? Is it your muscles? Is it your money? Is it being really, really good looking? It's none of these. If you can make a woman laugh, you are instantly way more attractive to her. Unfortunately for most of us, being super nervous, trying not to shake or sweat while talking to a cute girl is not the perfect condition for being Mr. Funny, even if we can normally make our friends laugh just fine. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple way to ensure that you always have something funny to say every time you talk to a girl you like. Have you ever realized that every conversation you ever start with a stranger contains a similar set of questions? These are questions like, what do you do for work? Where are you from originally? What are you up to this weekend? We call these questions ritualistic small talk initiators. They are the boring questions that come up for people when they're trying to start to get to know a person, but don't yet have the rapport to have a more personal conversation. What you need to do is take the time to sit down and think of the 5 most common questions that come up when you're talking with someone for the first time. These are your golden opportunities. Now take the time to think of a funny and honest answer that you can give a person anytime they ask. For example, when a girl asks me, what do you do for work? Instead of being boring and saying, well, I'm a dating coach, I can say to her, well, have you ever seen the Will Smith movie Hitch? Well, I'm kind of like him, but the white chocolate version. Or, if a girl asks me, do you have good plans for your evening? Instead of saying, no, I'm staying home tonight, I can say, I'm spending the evening with some wine and a good movie all alone. You could call it a romantic evening with someone I love. Although the conversation is a bit predictable. Now the beautiful thing is that I don't have to wait for a woman to ask me that question. I can simply ask her the question first. For example, when I ask her what she does for work, she will auto-magically ask me what I do in return. You'll be lining up something playful to say and it will feel completely smooth to her. And just like that, you can be sure that you'll have some funny, playful things to say in every conversation, no matter how nervous you are. Get out there, give it a try, and let me know how you do. Be sure to check out our website and view some more of our videos.